Yes. Can you guys, whoa, let's see if we try that again. Can you guys hear me? I think so. All right, guys, thank you for coming to the BocaJS. This is June. We are, I'll get the microphones fixed if we're having that issues. We are having that issues. So bear with me here as I fix the microphones. How about this? It's a little better? Looks like it. Does not like my other, it's competing microphone time. So, let's see. It's this? Oh my God.
Montero, I'm the organizer here. Today's going to be a little bit different. I have a quick presentation. I'm going to make it as quick as possible. And you guys are here to discuss about Montero. Thank you guys for starting that. I feel sometimes these meetups are not social enough, not a chance to really see. I mean, you're not just here to see a presenter. That's what YouTube is for. There are much better presenters than I can ever bring you guys here. Although I do bring you guys the best one. So, not in this case, because it's going to be late this time. So, we'll fix the microphone that continues having problems. First, let me remind you guys why we're here. We're here to present, to show you guys something IoT. But first, we have one of the people that allows us to have a pizza. You come? It's graduation resources that came with us. Came to pizza, came to you guys to be fed and enjoyed everything for now almost a year, and we thank you for it.
Hi guys, I might have met a few of you before. I'm with BocaJS Resources, my name is Steph. So we're a local IT staffing firm in Fort Lauderdale. We have contract, contract to hire, and permanent positions ranging from Middle Beach to South Miami. So if you guys are looking for a job, feel free to talk to me. I would love to speak with you. I've actually got a whole list of our jobs that will be available in software development and engineering space. So if you want to take a look, by all means, I can bring them to you afterwards. Thanks so much for coming. You're happy to be here.
Thank you. Okay, so with the theme, quick and simple. Another thing we're here is the co-working space with the Wi-Fi. Let's figure out what's going on with So if you guys don't see it on the top right corner, maybe I'll just turn off the mic and continue this way. Can you hear me okay? Yeah. I know a lot of people say that and they're telling you like this. I have a problem, I project. So sometimes the microphone is quite the opposite of what it needs to be. So let's get this out of here. So if you guys don't know the Wi-Fi password, in this case you won't need it. A lot of times I want you guys to follow along, follow the code, see what's going on, check what I'm doing, and remember at the very end there is a lapel provided by JetBrains. You can get a full year of a particular software, in fact any license you want, and by a year's worth, I mean a year's of upgrade, you get to keep it. So if you didn't buy a manufacturer or external or something like that because of the price, now there's a chance to consolidate here. You won once, right? Yes, you did. You didn't? Oh, yeah, you're playing coy and all that. I know you really won a couple of times. So, if not, you will win this time. How's that? So there's a Wi-Fi here run by Spaces Center, and Spaces to look at place here. Fantastic. I have a key there, an office there. Spectacular place. A lot of you guys are in there. You get to know about it. If you know, you're thinking about figuring out what it's like to sit down and not have a coffee, not worry about the fact that you got to grab all your equipment, to grab to go to the bathroom. The rest of the place is fix that. If you're working from home, try that as a solution. They'll give you a week for free. No questions asked. They also offer Wi-Fi, Spaces guest. If you look at the Wi-Fi network, once you log in, there actually a username and password. Co-working is a username. Co-work 0601 is the password. We won't need it this time because these laptops here are connected to it. They might be connected to it. And we'll go through a couple of things that we have here. What I want you, what I feel, like I said at the beginning of this, is that I want to share with you guys what I know. I want to hear from you guys what you know, and I want you guys to have a chance to touch the devices and figure out what's going on and talk to some of the experts that are sitting in the team over there. You know what I mean? Figure out what it is that you can do and what people have done with this. So thank you for They're amazing presenters. If you don't know who I am, my name is Damian Montero. I'm very shy, so if you take a picture of me on Twitter and then post it to @Montero at BocaJS.com, I'd be so bothered by that. We're running BocaJS for a long time. Let's just leave it at that. We're working for even longer. If you don't, we have a website. We haven't done anything with it. We have some ideas what to do. Let us know. Go to the websites and find out about it. I'm honored that you guys have subscribed. If you're not subscribing now, that we have our own YouTube channel with youtube.com/BocaJS. I don't have to show you a way to get there around there anymore. It's up there, and I do a weekly lunch and learn where I teach you guys things like fetch and trying to get API. One of the latest one was trying to figure out which is the company that's at the top, the $1 trillion valuation, and I'll show you how to create that on Node and figure out which one's which depending on a free service that creates their stock. Another one was someone said that one particular portion of Bitcoin, which is 100 million of Bitcoin, is worth more than certain dollars and currency out there. We're going to prove that by utilizing it. Who's there that we have to prove it by? So it's a lot of showing you guys what you guys can do, posting and figuring out what's going on. We're on Twitter as well as BocaJS.com. I'm sorry, BocaJS. I'm speaking. You guys probably don't want it. In fact, I want you guys to come talk. So leave me, reach me on Twitter, find me on meetup.com/BocaJS. Even if you find the other organizer, which is guy who pays it, that's why he's number one, Jeremy. Send us a message if you feel like you want to present it. And send us a message if you want to learn something else. Maybe this is not quite your cup of tea, but you like the atmosphere, and I appreciate that. But let me know if there's something else you want to learn, or more importantly, something else you want to teach. We're always ready for that. I've been promised a couple of times some presentations and all that, so I want to hear them and I want to see presented. All right. So we're a JavaScript meetup group, and what I wanted to do is give you guys something in JavaScript. I love IoT, I love blockchain, but this is JavaScript group. What can I do to give you guys that? And I wanted to give you guys sort of a quick introduction to what one of the different options we have in JavaScript, but in no way it means that stop me from having a conversation about what you can do with C++ or C++ experts, what you can do with other languages, what do you feel comfortable with, what do you think is the future about it. This is something what I found with JavaScript in IoT. So I'll be quick. I'll give you the basics. For example, the basics that always So you're going to touch it, you're going to feel it, you're going to figure out what's going on, and half an hour later you're going to go home and say, like, I don't remember any of it. Come June 27th, Microsoft will be sponsoring an event. It's run by BocaJS. It'll be downtown Colorado. The reason why is because it's Palm-Beach.js, BocaJS, and Miami.js joining forces. Last time that happened, it was almost 100 people. Every one of you guys, at least teams of you guys, will get your device to play. In parts, in games, all sponsors of Microsoft. No need to, it won't be a Microsoft sponsored event, it's going to be Azure people. But we won't be doing anything with Azure, we won't be doing anything with Microsoft, we won't be doing things with JavaScript, because it is Node.based, and you can do things on your own devices. And there'll be a lot of devices, including some of them that you'll be able to take home on your devices. That robot was the prize last year, and we have two of them to give away. Every 22 locations, now we're going to have a single one, perhaps we'll have more. An obvious solution for, hey, I want to do IoT stuff, and I don't want to figure out anything else, these Raspberry Pis. These Raspberry Pis are full computers, they connect to the HDMI, there's thinking about it, you go in there without even a thought. Install Node as you would any other laptop, any other server, and they will install and they will work there, and then you find a small library, like I think it's IO.js or different libraries are provided, and then you be able to access everything. You be able to access everything you can here. And these things are so small, I'll show you our things are smaller, but in fact, these guys get as small as this. This is an actual Raspberry Pi competitor, and I have to admit that that's still small, right? And it's just, and it's a full operating system, full everything. So think about that as an option. if you want to start playing around with IoT devices, because they're just ridiculously small. In the notebook days, we tend to present this. Have you guys ever seen, it's kind of hard to see it from there, but it was a device called, it's still around, called phone, and there's no JavaScript to it, but they had a JavaScript option for it. You could, we had an API, essentially what this device did is you programmed it through the internet. You opened up and you'll see this, something similar nowadays, a website, you fill in the form, it was all I do, it's 100% nothing proprietary. So you can copy and paste code, you see them get it all on the internet. But at the very end, it had a dream that was essentially, without even thinking about it, internet connect. And so you had an SDK connection through the web where you could send commands to it, and then it would figure out what the device was, and then send it to that device with like your key and two things about it. That was essentially the first way you could do things with JavaScript, in that you could make a website where you could press a button and it would turn on the light, and press another button and it would turn off light. And you programming all your story with that reading code. And I just went in and I have it's on a device that makes it look like it's not making sense, but you can I'll have them all through it again, I'll go through it. But that was kind of how it started. And eventually somebody figured out that they had actually done this. They had grabbed basic agreements, a basic wireless agreement. Not Wi-Fi, it's wireless. Because you need a device on it to connect on it, and it happens to have a little battery on it. This is at least, I want to say 15 years old, if not 10 years old. And what they realized is something that created a basic language where you would install the script here, and it would answer anything you told it to do through the USB, through the serial port or USB. And since this could be wireless, and we could do it in other ways. And then we saw a bunch of doors open. And one of them came in was Johnny 5. Johnny 5 is an incredibly well-designed website and architecture. This is one of them, this device here. Oh, so that's over there. You see the touch, and what you can do is control a remote device. Now, it is no running on your laptop, your server, your computer, control. So that idea that you have may have not meant a computer connected to. Or perhaps you wanted a computer that you controlled some real-world device, and this is simply a gateway towards real life, so real controllers, so real thermostats, so real things about it. So this could be a solution. It will be presented Notebot, a Note Day, a Notebot Day, but it is one of the popular ones, and the website is spectacular. You guys can play with it as well. This is to me the closest thing to what I wanted when I wanted to write JavaScript, this connected device, connected to something that's monitoring something like the gentleman had over there in the box, and be done with it, and I never touched C++, I didn't touch JavaScript. For me, it was important to do that. That's what I did, was okay to do that. These devices, and they promise, although I have not been able to get it working, that some of the modern Arduino replacements you will recognize ESP32, ESP8266. Those numbers don't make any sense, don't worry about it. These are the most common of the devices that are Arduino compatible. And so, these guys have a language where you can see it in there, and I will try to see it at the time of video right, but don't believe it, just Google it if you don't know. The YouTube channel is fantastic. In each one of these devices, I like the screen one, it makes all devices into one. And you can control it from web page, you can install this computer here. And the key is you control a device, in their case, handle it wirelessly. And think of something sitting like here, which is powered, but they have its own battery and all that. It's sitting over here, you control it, and it's in JavaScript. And you literally type it right in, and it's all JavaScript. You see some of the IDE information in there. This is what the IDE looks like. We even have it's almost meant for you to YouTube. This side will be what the device is, so it'll give you the response, your console log will come up there. It will include your device, like connect your LCD screen, turn on lights, check thermostat. And on the right-hand side is when you feed your full program that you will then upload to the device. You have instant access, you can go and debug real live time on the left-hand side. On the right side is your code, if that makes sense. And there's this beautiful option, click on it, and your webcam will come up. It's ideal for YouTube, right, where you can point to the webcam, you can show them how you're doing it live and all that. So definitely check out Esprino. Everything sounds like cappuccino and all that with JavaScript. Last one, if you guys know the story about it, it's very, very cute. It's this device right in here. It's by the BBC people, the same people that made that's where arguing from the BBC Micro, the first PC that was a big deal in the BBC in the UK. It was a big deal for us because we had Apple and all the other computers. The big thing is they saw an opportunity there, and so they created this little device. It has a bunch of rows and columns, 4 LEDs, it has buttons built in, it has a bunch of different sort of built-in things like an accelerometer, USB, Bluetooth antenna, and wire battery connection on it. They also have a lot of little devices that plug into this, it's what this like controls, it's super easy. And this, surprisingly, runs JavaScript. Now, and on top of that, on a Chromebook or in the computer, you log into a device, this registers the thing like the USB drive. You essentially compile the JavaScript, and then you put it on this device, and it just runs. So I'll put that in the computer. You guys can let them try it and play around with it. And let's see, I have some other. What do I have else? Oh, there is this. It was supposed to be a revolution. This is 100%. You type in JavaScript, you press compile, it puts it on the Arduino without anything fancy, without special devices, and boom, it runs. I have not seen much from them, but if you're interested in that, that is your other solution. One of the things, so it's demo time, what I wanted to do here is show you guys some of the devices a little closer up. This is the device I talked to you guys about. I'm sorry about the shaky. Let's try this like this. This was so smart in my mind that how it was going to work. Apparently it wasn't thought out very well. Let's try this. So, this is the Arduino. This is a 15-year-old Arduino. 15, not 50. Yeah, almost 50. Almost as old as I am. This device is very, very, very low powered compared to anything you have out there. You're talking about, something in the order of 16 megahertz, right? The little tiny ones that are super, super cheap, much more than that. Some of the other devices I wanted to show off were these ones here. These are all essentially Raspberry Pi knockoffs. And I'll show them over there. This is just for the stream. And then Arduinos, this is the Arduino we'll be using at the node bot days. This is, looks hard to see, you'll see it live over there. You know what, guys? Presentation's over. Come to the front. Thank you very much. Before I want you guys to touch, I want you guys to communicate, I want you guys to do talk about it and see what's going on in here. What I want to do is show off. So we've done it, right? Looks good, fantastic. So let's do one more thing. So by the way, this is the Particle IDE. This is what you're going to see in, oops. So this is the code for the microbit. I'll show you that. Whoa! What happened here? More code. That's the device over there. This is my name tag, so if I program it on there, you'll see that it's different names. What happened to it? Apparently it's gone. Fantastic. As you can see, as you switch back and forth between different ideas, it has JavaScript and code. And this is the Esperino. Oh, I don't have it here. You'll trust me. What I want to do. You guys have seen win.bocajs.com, right? Who hasn't seen win.bocajs.com? I'm going to give away the raffle, and then we're going to come over to the front and play all day long. Is that fair? All right. So if you guys want to join me at win.bocajs.org, if it comes up, we'll see that in just a second come up. In the magic of the internet, what is going on here? So one of the things that I did, I'll stretch a little time here. So we're going to go ahead to win. I guess I need a bigger screen here. Win.BocaJS.org. This is my brand new I appreciate this. The last thing you guys saw, you don't have to look up here, it's win.BocaJS.org. If your number appears on your phone, it will appear up here. So I was so proud of this. I will probably on GitHub. This is a little bit of IoT. It's a do with WebSockets. I presented you guys a WebSockets presentation. This was I wanted to rewrite what I had done a long time ago in, I did it with Damian Miami, so I think I did it something like 10, 15 years ago. You want to cheat? Is that what it is? You show up? Ooh. Remember this? So, I see some tickets. I see non-stop tickets. See, you haven't rewrite this so that it doesn't all bunch up those tiny numbers at the top here. Does everybody have a ticket? Everybody have a phone or laptop? Not a problem. Okay, you do. And then we show them something. I think it was working, but it's really good, just in case. Turn off the ball. Let's see if I do the same thing over here. So then, if you have any questions about this, a lot of tickets. I'm going to do a blinding there. All right. Everybody ready? Who was it? Who did it jump? Did it jump? Oh, all right. Guys, come on the front. Just bear with me. I'm going to give you the front. I'm going to give you the raffle ticket, the code, and you win. Just to remind you, guys, if you have your stories, tell us some stories. Give your devices. I will put them up there. Touch, break them, don't break them, or else you owe me them, in which case some of them are kind of hard to replace. And that's it. Oh, man. No, you can talk about it. So that is the good. So you can, on that one, it's lowering the bottom, go to the top. So with that one, you can actually go in this example, and you can figure out where it is, and you go here. This is the